Nandini, what happened? You look.
Puzzled? Yeah.
I wasn't going to say puzzled. I was going to say that you have your thinking face on. What's up?
I just met Akash at the office cafeteria. That guy drives me up the wall. I wanted to whack him on the head when he was talking.
Why? What happened?
Well, he had a meeting with his manager about appraisals. I asked him how it went, and he narrated a long, convoluted story about everything that happened during the meeting. My head was spinning just listening to it.
The way appraisals are being conducted this year, Akash's head should be spinning, not yours.
You should have listened to his story. Your head would be spinning too.
Tell me what he said. It sounds like a disastrous appraisal meeting.
Not really. The appraisal had gone well, but it was Akash's narration which was disastrous.
Oh, I can't wait to hear this. Tell me what he told you.
So, this is how the story went. We started the meeting at 10. He had a document listing all my achievements. Then I told him, this list is quite detailed. Then he told me, go through it and get back to me with any questions you have. Then I asked him, according to this list, I have completed only the main tasks. What about the additional responsibilities? Then he replied, your appraisals primarily depend on the main tasks assigned to you, but we will definitely consider the additional work you have done. Then I asked him, so how can I document those? And then he told me, prepare a document containing all the extra responsibilities by the end of the day today, and we shall discuss the same. Then I told him,
Okay, stop. This story is now giving me a headache. What's this whole I said, he said about? Why couldn't he simply narrate what happened like a normal human being?
yeah, that's what I asked him too.